Hey guys, today I'm just gonna make a quick little video to show you guys what my house looks like now versus what it used to look like when we purchased it back in 2015. And it's just gonna be the front side of it, the porch slash patio, I guess. I think it's quite a big difference, and that's why I'm making this video. It's something that I really wanted to show. My husband did a lot of work, also his friends, and we paid a few people to do some extra stuff to the house. It's not completely finished, but it's to the point where it's nice enough to show and say, like, look at the difference. So I'm gonna show you guys pictures and some videos of when we first got the house and when they started working on it and what it looks like now. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this video for you guys, and this is what it looked like before when we first got the house. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like currently. So here it is. So this is what it looks like now. And we still have more to do. Like put white columns on that. And then just more plants. But I love how it looks so far, and then I love this tree we planted. It's gonna be so big, and I love the leaves, guys. They're so big and beautiful and green. And we recently just put those up. So pretty. It's the other one, and it'll be here. I love purple, guys. It's my favorite color. And then our nice little sitting area here. And I still need to buy something for that table just to make it look cute. And our nice green grass. But I love it, guys. It just looks so much better than before. What do you guys think? Okay, now that you've seen it during the day, now I'm going to show you what it looks like during the night with our little solar LED lights and our porch lights on. This is what it looks like at night. We put those solar LED lights and made it look just so much nicer. And I'm going to show you in a minute how bright our front porch lights are once they are on. And that's what it looks like with just our front porch lights, guys. Like, look at all that. It's so bright. Look at everyone's. Our neighborhood is like pitch black. And our house is just like boom. You see that? It's pretty bright. And don't mind little Noah looking out the window. But look at that. Alright guys, that's it. That's what we have done so far to this house. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, go ahead and leave us a comment, tell us what you think. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe, click on the little notification bell just so you don't miss another video. If you like these types of videos of like a before and afters of the house, I have tons of pictures that I can show you guys from the interior. So currently I'm working on decorating the inside of my house, because if you guys seen in my last video that I made, which was my nighttime routine, I showed a little glimpse of like my living room, which was terrible guys. So that is not what it looks like now, because I currently bought new curtains, throw pillows, and it looks so much better, and I still have a lot more to buy. So I'm definitely going to show you guys like a little update on my like inside of the house if you guys are interested, of course. But yeah guys, have a great day. We're about to head out and enjoy this Memorial weekend, and I hope you guys enjoy your weekend as well. Stay safe, and until my next video guys, bye.